guys, a few weeks back I visited Zara and I saw these pearl embellished clothes. It looked really fancy, but then for the price it was totally not worth it. So I thought, why buy it when you can DIY it? So today I'll be sharing with you guys 5 DIYs, and also if you're new to my channel and if you like what you see so far, then please make sure you hit that subscribe button and also press the bell icon so that you'll get notified whenever I upload a new video. And now without further ado, we should just get started with this video. For this, you'll take a shirt, and obviously you'll need a shirt with a collar, and just take some fabric glue. Now if you want, you can go ahead and stitch this, but fabric glue does the job most of the time, so that's why I decided to go with the fabric glue. And I'm just going to put on some medium-sized pearls on it, and like you can see, I'm going to outline the entire collar in the same way. The plus point of working with fabric glue is that you can go ahead and correct your mistakes later on. So I'm just going to line the pearls properly and then just let it dry for 24 hours. Now for this, I'm just going to apply pearls on the upper half of the t-shirt, and I'm going to use mixed size pearls for this. So I'll just take some glue and apply it. Now I'm going with the big, small and the smallest. So first I'll apply the big size pearls, and then I'll take the medium size pearls, and then I'll take the small size pearls. And I didn't go with any pattern for this, I just applied it randomly, and I kind of like the way it turned out. Also I'll do the same thing on the other side as well. The fabric of this dress was really thin, that's why I decided to first put in the newspaper inside and then go ahead with my pearl sticking process. So you can use a newspaper or even a cardboard or anything. And then I'll take some fabric glue and medium size pearls. Now I'm using the same size pearls for this, and I'm just going on with the application, and there's no particular pattern for this as well. I just applied it randomly all over on the top portion of the dress. But if you want, you can even do this on a t-shirt or even on a skirt or leggings. This is the simplest pattern, and yeah, I loved the way this transformed the dress completely. Now for this, I just took the pants and like laid it sideways like you can see here, and yeah, back at it again with the fabric glue and the pearls. Now for this, I'm using the biggest pearls I could find. Bigger the pearls, the better it will be, and I'm just going to stick the pearls at some equal distance. I used my fingers for the measurement like you can see. So once you are done with one side, then let it dry completely and then move on to the other side and do the same thing on the other side. Now for this, I'm going to apply mixed size pearls on the sleeves like I did before, and I won't lie, I saw the same dress on Shein, and I got this dress from Shein without pearls for 1,000 something, and I saw it with pearls for like 1,300 something, so I saved like 300 for this, and I loved the way this turned out. You can do this either on hoodies or on tops as well, like just normal plain tops. You can just apply pearls on the sleeves and it will look amazing. And I went ahead and applied pearls on the drawstring as well, and I loved the way it completely transformed the hoodie. So that was it. I really hope you guys liked this video, and yeah, if you decide to make any of these DIYs, you know what you have to do. Share the pictures with me on my Twitter, Facebook or Instagram account with the hashtag DIY with Dhwani, and you can get a chance to be featured on my Instagram or on my vlog. So share the pictures with me, and also don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video.
Bye.